It is easy to set up different config for different file types by using the auto command. For example, you might not want to see dictionary words popping up when you're coding, for example. This is an example given on the GitHub page. Put this in init.vim and it should work. If you want to write this in Lua, use require inside the auto command. So I have one for Vim file and another for Markdown. Another way of doing it is to put this in the after fd plugin and name of the file type. So you can either use .lua or .vim. So whatever you put inside this directory, it will source it when you open the file of that specific file type. Note that it is cmp.setup.buffer, so you have to add .buffer after the setup. So I am disabling the autocomplete and I only want the LSP for Vim files. For the Markdown, I want the dictionary words by adding the look. You can also define different formats or mapping by putting everything here. So with this setting, when I open Vim files and press the trigger key, it suggests only the LSP completion and not dictionary words. If I try to spell inconvenient, nothing comes up. If I go to Markdown files and do the same thing, inconvenient comes up on the list, as well as many other words.